How will you know if your Detroit diesel engine blower is bad? How will you know? That is what I'm going to tell you in this video. Before it is too late, you need to know so that it will not cause other damages to your engine. Then please give me 2 minutes, just 2 minutes of your time. If you don't get value for that 2 minutes, then click away. But if you get value for that 2 minutes, then go to the comment section and tell me value. Let's start. 5. The first one is that the first thing you start to notice when your blower is getting damaged is what? Black smokes. When you start to notice black smokes, the black smoke is coming as a result of incomplete combustion, because your blower is helping to direct air to the combustion chamber. When the air is not sufficient to burn the fuel the injector is injecting, it resulted into incomplete combustion. Then you are having black smoke. When you notice that black smoke, go and check your turbo. What is number 2? Number 2 is loss of power. During the power stroke, which happened after the compression stroke, there's something happened then. The compressor must be injected, and when the fuel injected is, it causes explosion. That explosion forces the piston to go down, and that is what creates the power in the engine. Now, because the blower is bad, there is no sufficient air to burn the fuel. So the force of the engine has been reduced, and that affected the engine, and that affected the power the engine produces. So when you have loss of power in your 2-stroke Detroit engine, go and check your blower. What is number 3? Number 3 is when you are having strange noise. Put your ear very well. Make sure it's coming from the blower side. That is a sign that your blower is getting problem. The blower has bearing. It has rotor. Those rotor, when the bearing is bad, sometimes it can allow the rotor to be hitting each other. When you hear this kind of noise, go and check your blower. It's telling you that your blower is faulty. That is number 3. And what is number 4? Number 4 is oil from the exhaust. When you're having oil from the exhaust, sometimes you may think that you're having bad range. Yes, it can also be the reason. But when the volume is higher than normal, then go and check your blower, because your blower is lubricated with oil. So when the seal of the blower is bad, it allows the oil to migrate down to this piston head, and from the piston head it escapes through the exhaust valve down to your exhaust line. And that is why you can sometimes have oil coming out from the exhaust. It is a sign that your blower is bad. And another thing is oil leakage. That is why most people hate 2-stroke Detroit engine. Oil leakage. When you're having oil leakage around the blower, it is a sign that you are having a bad blower. It can be from the seal. This time the seal may not leak to the exhaust. It's leaking down to the exhaust track. It can be leaking down. It can be because of the gasket, or whatever reason. It is another sign that your blower is getting bad. And what is the last reason, which is Jara, that I'm going to give you, is engine seizure. Many people don't know. This is a secret, I'm telling you. When you are having seizure in your 2-stroke engine, the first thing you do before you start to disassemble the engine, remove the blower first. Why? Because your blower has rotor. When the rotor hook each other, it prevents the engine from rotation, prevents the engine from turning. It has happened to me over time. So a bad blower can also be why you are having engine seizure. Or sometimes it can be the gear of the blower is bad. So these are the reasons why you are having to. With these signs, you can know that surely you are having bad blower. Then at this point, I have a video where I talk a lot about when you're having oil coming out of the exhaust from 2-stroke engine. Watch this video that is coming next, or go to the comment section. You can see the comment section. I put the link there. Watch that video. It will tell you details about why oil can be coming out, why clean oil can be coming out from the exhaust of two-stroke diesel engine. See you in that video.